Welcome to the world of power, precision, and performance, where machines like the Caterpillar 385C excavator dominate the landscape and define true mining strength. At this busy mining operation, the 385C is not just a piece of equipment, it's the heart of production. Every swing of its massive arm, every load of overburden it lifts, and every truck it fills speaks volumes about the engineering excellence behind Caterpillar's legacy. This machine transforms raw terrain into productive ground, keeping the operation running efficiently and safely, even under the most demanding conditions. The Caterpillar 385C is built for big challenges. Powered by a robust Cat C18 ACERT engine producing approximately 523 horsepower, this excavator handles massive workloads with ease. Its operating weight exceeds 85 tons, giving it the balance and stability needed to move heavy material quickly without compromising control. The machine's hydraulic system is a masterpiece of precision, allowing the operator to dig, lift, and load smoothly while conserving fuel. At mining sites where every second counts, the 385C's speed and accuracy make it a key player in maintaining high production rates. One of the most impressive features of the 385C is its durability and reliability. Built from heavy-duty steel with reinforced structures, it's designed to endure extreme environments, from scorching heat to rocky terrain. Its advanced cooling system keeps the engine running efficiently during long shifts, and the operator's cab offers comfort, visibility, and control, reducing fatigue and improving safety. For operators, it's not just a machine. It's a trusted partner that delivers performance shift after shift. In this mining operation, teamwork between the excavator and the fleet of dump trucks is seamless. The 385C loads truck after truck in a rhythmic flow, minimizing downtime and maximizing output. Every cycle counts, and the precision of this machine ensures that material is moved effectively, helping uncover valuable mineral layers hidden beneath tons of overburden. This is where skill meets technology. Experienced operators controlling a world-class machine to achieve remarkable productivity. The Caterpillar 385C stands as a symbol of modern engineering and industrial strength. It's a reminder that progress is powered by machines like these, built to handle the toughest challenges with unmatched reliability. Watching it in action is not just impressive. It's educational for every driver, operator, and mining enthusiast who wants to understand what true efficiency looks like on the ground. If you enjoyed witnessing the 385C in full force, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Subscribe for more incredible real-world mining footage. Learn about heavy machinery and see how technology and human skill work together to move the world forward, one load at a time.